I've always dreamed of having my own bakery. A cute name, happy customers, and cakes coming out of the oven. After graduating in the middle of an endless search for a job in microbiology, I applied to culinary school to improve my pastry skills. It was an intense semester where I discovered that making sweets is another one of my greatest passions, just like drawing and creating videos. Not bad. Time to enjoy my mug cake. Tastes really good. How can this possible? Huh? No. No way. Maybe. If I open a bakery who sell mug cakes. Quite cute, right? I never saw these before. But you don't even have money. Well, but I have a dream, a microwave, and a vision. Let's do some work.
I'm stuck in space, got a daydream running through my brain every day. Heaven in my denim, world's a bore, but I'm okay anyway. I wanna shake it out, toss my body up and down on a wave.
Even though I didn't finish the course because I started working in my field of study, the dream of opening a bakery never left me. And today, I've decided to do it. Even it's only in a fictional way and it's just for fun. And I'm going to create the visual identity of my imaginary bakery and prepare for the big opening. But first, we need to think about the concept I want for it. The colors: honey, whipped cream, melt caramel. The font: maybe round, puffy, and huggable, like a bunny you would want to squeeze. Inspo: bunnies, coziness, and food that feels like hug. I create Bunny Honey, the world's coziest mug cake baker. Because who says you need a big oven to bake happiness? Mug cakes come to life because they are quick, practical, and delicious. And let's be honest, have you ever seen one in a bakery? A warm cake ready to grate you every time you step inside the bakery. I create mock-ups for the big launch, an imaginary one. Digital menus, cute box, even a branded bags. Well, all ready for when I have my own shop. I made a logo with a bunny that looks like it's saying, take a break, have a cake. I designed thank you cards, labels, mini menus, all for selling mug cakes. From a microwave, yup. And the branding, flawless. Bunny Honey might be fictional, but the aesthetic is 100% real. I use everything I had. Pretty napkins, dry flowers, well, definitely everything I had at home. Bunny Honey is a cozy, aesthetic little place filled with vanilla in the air, lemon on the counter, and mug cakes made with love. And branding. Because if I'm gonna pretend I have a business, it's going to be a cute down to the very last spoonful. At 29, I opened my dream bakery. Well, No front door, no business partner, and no customers. Just me, a bunny, and a lot of mug cakes. Welcome to Bunny Honey, the bakery where everything is made up, except the flavor. Now, the real star, the mug cake. Ready in 1 minute, fluffy and warm. The dessert version of a cozy blank. What will be the perfect bunny honey mug cake flavor? Comment below and maybe it will appear in the next episode. See you!